What is your biggest why? What made you to do this business?
For me, as I mentioned earlier, like my biggest why was to have a quality time when I will be a mother. I wanted to have a family time, like not worrying about going back to job as soon as I give a birth, or I am a woman and I may be a mother one day, and I am also a wife now. I want to have a quality time when I want to have it, right? And nursing is very challenging job, honestly. Like it's a very physically and mentally and emotionally, it's a very challenging job, and every day you feel like you will quit your job today or tomorrow. That's what nursing is. It's so it's rewarding as well. The other side, it's very nice, but not everyone can be a nurse forever. And I think I have that personality where I cannot suppress my emotional stress, or I am person where I need to have some kind of freedom in my life. I want to travel, I want to be with my family, I want to go back to my home country for a few months and spend a time with my family. And in future, when I have a baby, I do not want to go back to the nursing as like other nurses do. I do not want to work with my full belly bump till 9 months in my unit. So I wanted to have some security when I am tired of nursing, or when I wanted a break. I should be able to have a second income source, which will handle the situation, or which will help me for my financial stability. Having this business, or starting this business, was one of my best decision I made.
What do you love the most about this digital business?
Everything. Honestly, there is no such thing that I do not like about this digital business. But to be honest, like if I have to choose like the most about this digital business, for me, having a flexible side hustle was always number one priorities, and I love the most about this business is its flexibility. Other than that, the community, the supportive group here, everyone can do this business. No age limit, no gender limit, nothing. Like nothing can stop you from doing this business unless you have a legit work permit. That's the most important. But yeah, for me, like in the attraction of this business was women supporting each other and the team supporting each other. Even though I have so many business partners from Australia, I'm just giving an example, and I live in United States. So sometimes there will be a trouble, or there will be some issue going on with my business partners in Australia, and it's hard to communicate because of the time zone. But there are so many business partners from Australia who will be helping my business partner regardless of any selfishness. That's a very positive, very, very positive group of people work here, and there is like everyone is willing to help each other. Everyone is helping to grow each other. They will be, they'll be pushing from your back just to work or move forward. So I have never seen such a positive mindset group of people, such a supportive group of people other than this business. So that's the most valuable thing that I like about this business.